The Holiday Inn Stoke-on-Trent is a contemporary hotel offering 118 rooms, ideal for both business and leisure travelers. Located just off the M6 motorway, about 4 miles southwest of the city centre, it provides easy access to local attractions and the surrounding area. The hotel features an on-site restaurant, bar, fitness centre, indoor pool, sauna and meeting facilities, making it a convenient choice for guests. We used the hotel as a night stop before driving to Alton Towers, about 30 minutes away. Room 149, virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment. Positive points: relatively big room, decent view out of the window onto a wooded area, coffee making facilities in room, iron in room, nice big pool with jacuzzi and sauna. Breakfast staff was helpful. Free parking. Negative points: lack of attention to detail. One of the lights wasn't working. Marks on the door and furniture, and specks of white paint on the bathroom floor. No safe, no minibar, no phone to TV pairing. The pool is quite old and belongs to a sports club, so it is open to non-guests. Something that was quite strange with the pool is that there was nowhere to put anything. All the lockers were locked and there weren't any seats in the pool area, so I had to put my towel on the floor. That definitely needs improving. Here a scratch on the cupboard door. It isn't a huge deal, but it doesn't feel high quality. Please like, comment and subscribe for more hotel and travel videos. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to get all the videos. Here you can see small flecks of white paint on the floor. Not great. My rating: 4. Do you agree? If not, tell me what you think in the comments section.